Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can control your PTZ camera using OBS. Basically, you'll need to download this plugin. I don't have a PTZ camera. I just have a normal webcam. I don't know how much it costs, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot since the PTZ camera does move and you are able to control it through OBS. So there is an OBS plugin. If you go to the forums, resources, OBS Studio plugins, there is a PTZ controls by GitHub, and basically this is what it's going to look like once you have installed the plugin onto your OBS, and you are able to, as you can see, control the movement of your PTZ camera here. This is the cameras, this is the settings, as you can see, the host, the port, etc. Obviously, you're going to connect your PTZ camera and then this will show up. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.